AI. If you wish to change your Claude AI theme color, it's pretty simple. Let me show you how you can do it. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to change your Claude AI theme color, it's pretty simple. Go ahead and log into your account and then head over to your profile down here. Click on it and then choose settings. Here, as you can see, I'm currently on a white theme, and I can change this by just going to general here, then scroll down and go to appearance. Here you can see our current default color is this. You can go ahead and choose your color mode to either light, auto, or even dark. So for instance, if I choose auto or dark, you can see it will go ahead and change to dark profile here. If you choose auto, it will automatically take your system theme and it will be applied as well. So that's how you can change the theme color on Claude AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.